So now we will be discussing the question answers that are given on page number 21. Okay. What does Rahila lose? Can you say? Yes, Rahila loses her golden bangle. So see here, when in the question, this is a very important thing that you must know. If in the question it is written does lose, in the answer you have to write loses. This does is replaced by adding an s to the verb. So if in the question it's written what does Rahila lose? Answer, Rahila loses her golden bangle. So now next, see the next question. Where does Rahila sit? Where does Rahila sit? So again in the question we are getting does sit. So what you will write in the answer? Does sit. This does is replaced by adding an s with this verb. Sits. So Rahila sits under a wood apple tree. Where does Rahila sit? Rahila sits under a wood apple tree. See question number 1c. What does Rahila do? What does Rahila do? Rahila counts the leaves on the tree. Where does the leaf fly? Where does the leaf fly? So does fly, in the answer we have to write flies. The leaf flies up and down, left and right. It turns and spins and finally climbs high above the roof. Finally the leaf climbs high above the roof. Where does the leaf fall? Does fall. So in the answer it will be the leaf falls into a hole. The leaf falls into a hole. Why does Rahila laugh? Does laugh. Why does Rahila laugh? Rahila laughs as she finally finds her lost golden bangle under the lucky leaf. Rahila laughs as she all of a sudden finds her lost golden bangle under the leaf. Fill in the blanks, it's very easy. Dash is crying. Who is crying? Rahila is crying. Dash is falling from the tree. One leaf is falling from the tree. The wind dash, the wind blows. The leaf dances dash and down, up and down, dash and right, left and right. Rahila dash up the leaf. Rahila picks up the leaf. Now let us see the slides. See, in the chapter you will get many opposite words. Okay. So what are these? Some of the opposite words are cry. Opposite of cry is laugh. Lost. Found. Go. Come. Outside. Inside. sit, stand, fall, rise, up, down, front, this is in front, back, start, stop, left, right, high, low, under, above, lucky, unlucky. So these are all the opposite words that you get from the text, and don't worry, these will be given in your worksheets. So now let us take out the workbook, okay? Because along with this new Oxford Modern English, and workbook has also an English workbook has been given. So you take out the workbook, page number 16. Very easy things are given over here. See page number 16. A picture is given and some prepositions are given. In the previous class you have done the prepositions and these are quite easy ones. So you see I am showing you. Number 1, there is a baby bird dash the nest. There is a baby bird dash the nest. You can see from this picture and the list of prepositions is given also. So there is a baby bird in the nest. Why in and when do we use in? In we use when the thing is partially visible. It is not very clearly visible. It is inside. So that time we use in. There is a baby bird in the nest. Then number 2, there are many leaves dash the branches. There are many leaves on the branches. On the branches. Number 3, a goat is dash the tree. A goat is dash the tree. A goat is, as you can see from the picture, is under the tree. Under. Number 4, a boy is hiding dash the bush. A boy is hiding behind the bush. When you hide behind, you cannot be seen. So a boy is hiding behind the bush. 5th one, the bush is dash the tree. The bush is at the side of the tree. The bush is at the side of the tree. 6th one, a girl is sitting dash the tree. A girl is sitting near the tree. A girl is sitting near the tree. So first one is in, on, under, fifth is at the side of, and sixth one is near. Page number 17 you see there is a box and girls, boys, rat, all these stars, leaves, all these things are given. You have to count the exact numbers and write, fill in the blanks with those. So it's very easy, you do. And one thing I noticed, that is, while correcting your maths worksheets, I found a very common mistake. I am erasing all these. It's a very common mistake. See this spelling carefully. 4. You write F-O-U-R. 4. When you write 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. But when you write 14, that is F-O-R-T-Y. Here you don't write F-O-U-R, okay? Because you have to write these things in your workbook. So I am telling you, be very careful about the spelling of 14. It is F-O-R-T-Y. Okay? So hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you. And question answers will be there in the worksheet. You have to copy them in your notebooks and submit accordingly. The details will be given in the worksheets itself. Thank you. Have a nice day.